You're looking for a wheelchair, transportation, lightweight, portable that weighs 23.4 pounds. Comes in two colors with a soft seat and a comfortable back with handbrakes. You can lock the wheelchair into place, lifting up the arm, unstrapping the seat belt, lifting the feet up, and folding the rest and getting out of the wheelchair. This is your wheelchair, foldable. And what we're going to do is unlock both sides and fold up. Take it wherever you need to go. And we'll show you what this wheelchair is about. Patio L'activity is a portable wheelchair, lightweight, transportable, that could be taken with you in a car and open up as easy as can be. It comes packaged in a box, and we're going to show you what you get inside by lifting up and off. It's not a heavyweight chair, it is a lightweight chair. Inside the box is the instruction papers. Protected in plastic is your chair, your wheelchair, that is. As we carefully take it out of the protective film, everything is protected with plastic, the wheels, the arms, and the cushion, the chair. We're going to take everything out and show you what the chair is about. Look for the cellophane's end and unroll. Some disassembly may be required to remove the plastic off of the seat with the screwdriver of the 4 Phillips screws. Carefully unscrew. Remove the seat and peel off the seat covering. Do check online for further details about seat replacements. The portable wheelchair is made of metal, aluminum. It weighs 23.5 pounds. And we're going to place it up on the table, give you a close-up look, and go over some of the details of the chair. When the chair is fully enclosed, it may tip over, so please be careful. The chair can be opened up just a little bit, so it allows it to stay upright. The chair fully closed is 11 plus inches. At the very top, it measures 7.5 inches about. The height of the chair fully closed, standing upright, measures 26.5 inches. The chair in width, as we turn it around over here to show you from the outmost side, is 20 inches. The narrower side from the seat area, about 16 plus inches. On the top, we have brake holds that locks the chair into place. We have handles on the side, and we have grip, rubber grip, and we have a safety strap. And we have a locking mechanism on each of the sides. We have here are the wheels, 6 inches in the front, 8 inches in the back, with a shock absorber design with reflectors on the side. Opening up the chair is simply as removing the strap, releasing. Simply hold with one hand and allow the chair to open. And we'll show this on the floor. We want to give you a nice close-up look how easy the chair opens, and then take the red handle and rotate it around on each of the side to lock into place and snaps down. The chair will not close when the red snaps, the safety snaps are on. Lift up and then simply close your chair. You may have some trouble closing the chair as the wheels must face outside and then able to close. To simply close, it's lifting up the mechanism away from the tab and grabbing the seat and closing up with a gentle press, and then locking with the safety cord. Just take the strap, wrap it around, and wrap it around the top. So this way, the chair cannot open during transport. We're going to demonstrate how easy and quickly this chair opens up by removing the strap, placing to the side or away. Simply grab the chair, and you have here the red clips that we showed, the safety clamps, and grabbing each of the arms by lifting up and locking down. What we're going to do is leave one arm like so, and in the front we have here is the footrest, and we have here is the safety strap to place a person in. As we come around to the chair to sit in, before we sit down, we have these clips over here that you simply lock into place by pulling down nice and tight, and to release by pressing them. They lock in automatically. You can sit in to the side over here like so, down, and rotate in and lift the feet up while taking the arm, lifting up and around and locking down into place for portability and security. Then taking the strap to lock in safely, and off you go, ready to move. In order to get out, simply remove the strap. You lift the arm up on either side to get off and out of the chair, like so. And then you could simply release the brakes on both by hitting the red buttons and dropping down and lifting the feet up. And on each of the side, lifting up the red tabs and simply grabbing and folding into place. And then taking the strap and locking down. For transportation, simply take the chair, place in, and ready to go. You could take the arms so it could sit there 90 degrees, rock solid, and when ready to take out, simply lift the arms up and pull the chair out and ready to assemble by removing the straps and setting up in a matter of a number of seconds. And you're ready to use your chair for the person that needs it in portable transportation. We're demonstrating once again the transportable wheelchair. Locks into place, both sides, and getting into position for our guests to sit in. We hold the brakes down and lock them into place. And we either have the strap to strap in, and on the armrest, they simply lift up and around and over both sides, and they snap down. Release the brakes, and before we do, we need to lift the feet onto the rest, and the portable wheelchair, easy to roll, easy to maneuver, and turn around. What the wheelchair can do, and we'll show you on a little stump, a curb going over. With the 6-inch wheels in the front and the 8-inch wheels in the back, and we're able to go around. And that is the wheelchair. To go over the curb in the front, it is suggested to go in the back as we slowly lift down and carefully go on the curb, and off we go. This is the wheelchair for your needs.